Let's brew a rich and flavorful cup of coffee using the Sipologie Moka Pot. First, we grind fresh coffee beans to a medium-fine consistency that resembles with table salt. We fill the filter basket with the ground coffee and level it off gently. No tamping is needed. Now, preheat your water to around 85 degrees Celsius and pour it into the bottom chamber of the Moka Pot, just until it reaches the safety valve. Place the filter basket into the base, screw on the top chamber tightly, and place the Moka Pot on medium heat. Within a minute, the coffee begins to bubble up into the top chamber. As soon as you hear that familiar gurgling sound, it's time to take it off the stove. And that's it. Pour your rich aromatic coffee into your favorite cup and enjoy every sip.